Hello everybody, welcome back. Last video I was demonstrating that I could use the Phantek RGB devices such as the Phantek Halo or the neon light strips with Corsair ICUE. As you can see here, I have the neon light strip being controlled by ICUE. If you look on screen now, you should be able to see me slowing down the speed, also changing the direction and speeding it back up. And if you look on the video, you should be able to see that that is working perfectly fine. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this for yourself. As on last video, I was getting a lot of comments and a lot of requests for a tutorial, and it's been long awaited and long coming. It's finally here, so enjoy. So first of all, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need one, the Corsair Lighting Node Pro. Unfortunately, I can't take this out of my case as the other side of it is sort of boxed in right now, and I don't exactly have the time to take it out. But it's not too difficult. This is the one with two sets of 3 pins, and it is fairly easy to use. If you want to know how to set it up, simply just Google it somewhere else. What's this? Much better. Okay, so the next thing you need is some of these 1-pin to 1-pin jumper wires. As you can see, these things have 1 pin on one side and no pins on the other side. This is what's going to allow you to connect them, as they use these little pin things. This is the Phantek Halo, and as you can see, they use these little 3-pin things. Now, this is super simple. If you look on the side of here, if I turn it sideways, at the top up here, by my finger, there is a little thing that sticks up. The easiest way that I have found to explain how to do this is to put that little thing facing upwards. Once you've got it facing upwards, all you need to do is from left to right, connect pins into the holes, one by one, and in the same order on the Corsair lighting node, you need to connect them. Normally, what you would do is have it the other way up, since that is the default way, and you would swap around the opposing wires. However, by flipping it this way over, it is much easier for everyone to understand. So, if I go over to my Lighting Node Pro over here. Just a quick little side note here, I'm not sure if I mentioned this in the video. I rewatched it and I found a tiny bit confusing. So I'm just going to explain here right now. When we are plugging the wires into the Corsair lighting node, the wires also go in from left to right, same as when you plugged in the wires to the Halo or your RGB device. By plugging it in left to right, the wires will not cross, they'll just be straight, and that's how you will know that you've done it correctly. And I plug in this. As you can see right now, before I've plugged in the final wire, my Phantek Halo is not powered on. However, if I just pop this here for a second and plug in the final wire, as you can see, now it's turned on. And if I display this, and I go to lighting channel 1, or in fact, sorry, lighting channel 2, and if I mess with these settings, it should, that's turned off. And then if I set this to the ML RGB series fans, as you can see, it's got some RGB turned on. If I set it to 6 fans, it turns on all of it. And if I go to lighting channel 2, what I can do is I can speed up the rainbow. I can change it to a rainbow wave. Rainbow wave is my personal favorite. I think that looks the nicest. If I wanted to, I can set it to a solid color. Although for some reason solid color does not appear to work. that should turn it off again. And then I can change it to strobing. So as you can see, it turns on and off with different colours. And that should be very easy for you guys to understand. If you guys need any more assistance, I will be happy to help you in the comments. All of the links will be in the description for the things you will need. But hopefully that should be good. It's a very short video, very short tutorial. But hopefully that should be good for you guys. And if you guys need any more help, comment. If you enjoyed it and you found it useful, please leave a like just so we can get this video out there, as I've not been able to find many people doing this. Definitely not with tutorials. So thank you guys for watching. If you would like to buy any of the stuff, links are in the description for all the items. And goodbye!